What's going on? It's Chaz,
Yep.
Jeffrey, and of course me, Shawn. Everyone, we feel so bad that we can't take the time to share our passion, enthusiasm for these cars by practicing social distancing. As most of our clients know, and we want our new clients to know, we want to get back to being able to share the passion of these cars with you guys. We're not just a repair shop, we're die-hard enthusiasts, and we really miss being able to spend that time with you guys, our clients, to talk about these wonderful cars that we work on and build. We really miss you guys, but we want you guys to all stay happy and healthy and well. Take care of your family and your friends. If you do need to get service done, we do offer pickup and drop off. As long as it's over $1,200, we'll cover the cost. If it's under $1,200, I think we charge how much per mile, Chaz?
$1.50 per mile, and you can get the car picked up and dropped off after your appointment is over.
So we want to help you stay inside. We'll come out, we'll pick up the car, we disinfect everything, we bring it back all disinfected and nice and clean and serviced. Keep us in mind, Bavarian Rennsport. You can call us at 904-270-9390, or you can check us out online at BavarianRennsport.com. Thank you and have a blessed day.